Simply switch from changer to newborn seat at a moment's notice, so baby's needs are cared for quickly and easily. Newborn seat station creates a cozy, dedicated space for baby to play. Care and maintenance: clean with household soap and warm water, drip dry, no bleach, machine wash. Carry bag in lukewarm water. If Playard gets sandy, carefully remove sand from all surfaces before packing into bag, as sand can damage top rail lock. Machine wash newborn napper separately in cold water, delicate cycle. No bleach. Drip dry. Convenient changers wipe clean fabrics, make cleanup a snap so you can continue enjoying your time with baby. Integrated storage pockets keep wipes, diapers and baby basics close by so you're ready for baby's many changes. The Playard is designed to grow and transition with your child, from newborn to infant to toddler. Top reviews from the United States. This grandma loves this crib for her first great-grandbaby. I love everything about this portable crib. My 3-month-old great-grandbaby fits in it perfectly. I love the changing table that flips to a bassinet. When she gets too big, then I can remove it and she can play and sleep in the first level. Then when she gets bigger yet, we can take out the first level and she will have a perfect-sized playpen and sleeping area. I highly recommend it. Both my daughter and I have this Graco pack and play in our homes for when we babysit.